Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy recipe for chicken Hariyali tikka. Now if you like my recipe, please do make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. In this recipe we need boneless chicken. I'm using 500 gram of boneless chicken. You can use big pieces, I'm going to use small. I'm also going to use ginger garlic paste, vegetable oil to grill, 1 cup of yogurt, which is 200 gram almost, 1 lemon, some mint leaf, some coriander leaf. Of course this is chicken Hariyali, so we need a little bit extra amount there for mint and coriander. Green chili, I'm going to use 3 to 4. At the same time I'm going to use some white pepper, garam masala powder and salt to taste. That's it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend my coriander, mint and green chili together and keep it ready aside, and I'm going to squeeze my lemon and remove some juice. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to first marinate my chicken with lemon for 10 minutes and keep it aside in the refrigerator. It will give really nice and tangy flavor to your chicken, so make sure to do that. And then after 10 minutes I'm going to add my yogurt and my ginger garlic paste, my mint and coriander paste and all the spices all together, and I'm going to give a nice mix. So just mix it up. Look at that. I'm just going to mix and I'm going to leave it aside for overnight or for 30 minutes. That's it. Just leave it aside and marinate it really well. Look at that, I'm marinating really well, and keep it aside. Put a flame and keep it aside for a whole night or at least for half an hour. It's really good with chapati or just a starter for kids. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding up in a stick. I'm using stick so that kids find it fancy and it looks really yum. Just start putting it in a stick. Now I'm going to heat my pan and add some oil and start adding up my Hariyali stick. Look at that, this looks so super yummy and delicious. I can smell it. Look at that, sizzling. And now there's a trick that you need to keep your flame high. If you make it low, it's going to leave water. We don't want that. We'll keep the flame high and we'll start frying it up. Now the reason I'm telling you that is that it will not take hardly 10 minutes to cook this. You can simply serve it with lemon or just like a starter, and it's really yum to eat. I hope you like my recipe. Please do make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.